Hi, good morning. Today we're going to be working on a lot of upper extremity strengthening. So, the materials that we need today are Play-Doh and any type of kitchen utensil that you have. That could do some smashing and some stomping. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to break our Play-Doh into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to roll them into a ball. We'll start with using this one, and what we're going to do is place this over the Play-Doh using 2 hands and smushing it all the way down. Picking it up and taking it off. Smush. Up. This helps to build a lot of shoulder stability. Smush. Off. Good. Now, if we wanted to use the hammer, we could roll these back into a ball. And now using one hand, we could smush it down. Smush. You can use 1 or 2 hands to complete this.